Welcome to Volume 3 of my beginner-friendly makeup tutorial. Hopefully you all watched Volume 1 and 2 where I showed you how to prime, apply foundation, conceal, color correct, highlight, contour, and set your entire face. Yes, it sounds like a lot, but you definitely want to make sure you check that out before you watch this one so you know all of the steps that I did before starting this video. And here's a quick reminder, I'm going to be using a high-end product and a low-end product for each step. I want to give you options and I want to show you that all that matters is the technique. So we're going to go ahead and get started with the brows. I'm going to show you all how to achieve a snatched natural brow with ease. So let's get started. You're going to start off by brushing the brows upward. And I love how both of these pencils have the spoolie on the other end. Alright, so I'm going to take it. I love how this has such a nice small point. And we're going to just go to work. Alright, so we're going to move on to the other side and we're going to brush them up. But you see how quick and easy that was? Bam. So I'll move on to this side with the Precisely My Brow pencil. And if you make any mistakes, which is completely normal, honey, all you gotta do is take your spoolie. If it's not that big of a mistake, take your spoolie and just rub the line out. If it's a harsh line, just rub it out just like I did. And then it creates a really nice tint where that line was. So blends everything out. I tend to go down towards the bottom and up at the top just to define that arch a little bit more. So it's pretty good for the most part. And then I go on the tail and that's it. I never use black. I never use a black brow pencil. It's just too dark. And I like to use like a dark brown or even sometimes like a medium to dark brown. But these are on the darker end, like more of a dark brown. It's never like strictly black. I would never do black brows. And I also arch my own brows and stuff. So if y'all want a video on that, let me know and I got you covered. So now I'm gonna go in with my concealer, and this is the concealer that was closest to my skin tone that I used to conceal when I was doing my face. So it's similar to my skin tone, if not the same. I'm just gonna take that and go underneath my brow and a little bit on the top of the brow to give it a more defined look. and it cleans up any areas that you have, like any straggly hairs or hairs growing back. It cleans that up and makes them a little less noticeable, especially if you haven't gone to the eyebrow place. The concealer has you covered. If you haven't hit that subscribe button already, go ahead and do it. And hit that bell to be notified when I post new videos. Don't forget. See that? Makes such a big difference. And I'm gonna wipe this same brush off because this is my favorite flat brush for my brows. So I'm just gonna wipe the product off and then move on to the high-end product, which is the MAC Pro Longwear Concealer. Now I'm going to take that concealer brush that I use for the MAC Pro Longwear and just blend everything out. Brows, we're going to go in with a clear mascara. And this sets the brows in place and just prevents them from moving and, just going all over the place. So I'm going to use the Mega Clear by Wet n Wild, and this is just a clear mascara. So this is what it looks like. And I'm just going to go over the brow and just use it like a gel. So for the high-end side, I'm going to be using the 24-Hour Brow Setter by Benefit. And it's clear as well. Oops, a little bit too much. All right, got a little bit too much gel on there, but it's cool. Just dab it off. All right, and there you have it, banging brows. Yes. So stay tuned for volume 4 of my beginner-friendly makeup tutorial. I'll be covering how to prime your eyes for eyeshadow, how to apply eyeshadow, and how to blend everything out with ease. You don't want to miss it.